In this video, I will show you the process to install your HP 65 ink in your HP DeskJet 2652 all-in-one printer or similar 2600 series printer. In the video, you will see HP DeskJet 1112, but the process is the same. So you take your ink, find the little perforation there, and peel it open, pop the ink out. If your ink has this cover on it, you go ahead and peel that back like that, and it'll raise up and slide right off. After you do that, be sure not to touch the terminal, and then peel this back and do the same thing for that one. Put that back on. As you can see, color on the left, black on the right. If you are replacing ink, you will want to push down on the already installed ink that needs to be replaced. It will pop down and slide towards you. So all you do, just slide the front end. There's a little ridge there. Slide it in. Then push it in place, just like that. Close it up. And wait a few seconds. There we go. Alright, that about wraps this video up. This is Lars. If you have any questions about anything you saw in this video, please comment below. If there's a comment box, or else you can email us, customerservice@yoyoink.com. Until next time.